Here is how to change your Roblox character's gender on your phone. It's fast and simple, so let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and open your Roblox application on your mobile device, log into your account, and after logged in, you need to go to Settings. For that, tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, then go to Settings that is below the gift cards option. Now, from the Settings page, tap on Account Info that is the initial option in this page. Once you're over here, you will see either gender or gender selection, or you can also get the option of simply gender. You'll get two different options to choose, male or female. Select either male or female and then tap on Save. Your Roblox avatar will now have the gender you selected. You can also customize your avatar, which is optional. You can go to your avatar in the menu that is in the bottom of the screen between the charts and party option. And then you can change your avatar's appearance, clothing, and accessories to fit to your new gender. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.